Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited to have you. Today we're tackling something that's honestly a game changer if you've ever struggled to organize your product docs, FAQs, or even release notes. We're going to build a clean, searchable documentation website in WordPress. And the best part, we're using the free WP documentation theme. No need to break the bank. Alright, before we get to the fun stuff, let's make sure you have WordPress up and running. Now you could go the old school route. Download, unzip, set up a database, and all that jazz. But who has time for that? We're living in the future, so let's use InstaWP. Just head to instawp.com, click Create New Site, and in about 10 seconds you'll have a fresh WordPress install ready to go. It's like instant noodles, but for websites, and way less sodium. If you're already set up with local WP, XAMPP, or your favorite web host, that's cool too. Just double check that you're on WordPress 5.5 or higher and PHP 7+. If you're not sure, don't worry. Most hosts have you covered. Alright, let's kick things off by giving your site a solid foundation, the WP documentation theme. So here's what you do. Pop over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, then Themes, and hit Add New. In the search bar, type WP documentation, and voila, it should be the first one that pops up. Go ahead and click Install, then Activate. This theme is basically the skeleton of your documentation site. Without it, things just look, well, kind of sad. So, double check that it's active before you move on. Trust me, I've forgotten to activate a theme before and spent way too long wondering why my site looked like a blank canvas. Alright, next up, let's head back to your WordPress dashboard and install all the recommended plugins. This is where the magic happens. Plugins are like little superpowers for your site. There are 3 essentials. Fast fuzzy search for instant search, because nobody likes slow search bars. Secure custom fields for adding all those extra details to your docs, and nested pages for organizing everything in a nice tidy hierarchy. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later for setting this up right. And if you're like me and get plugin FOMO, don't worry. You can always add more later. Just don't go overboard, or your site will start to feel like a Swiss Army knife with too many tools. Now let's create your main pages. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, then click on Add New. Name your page Docs, or whatever makes sense for your project. On the right sidebar, make sure you select the Docs Home template, then hit Publish. And here's a quick tip. If you ever mess up a page, don't stress. You can always edit or delete it later. WordPress is super forgiving that way. Once your page is ready, go to Settings, select Reading, and set the Docs page as your static homepage. That way visitors land right where you want them. No more lost users wandering around your site like it's a corn maze. Let's make your site look just the way you want. Head over to WP Documentation and click on Customize. This is where you can really let your personality shine. Change up the color scheme, play with the layout, and even enable dark or light mode if you're feeling fancy. Some options are only available in the Pro version, but honestly the free features are more than enough to get started. I always say, start simple and upgrade only if you really need those extra bells and whistles. It's time to add your content. Just open the Gutenberg editor and start structuring your docs. And here's a pro tip. The theme comes with some really handy custom blocks for callouts, code snippets with syntax highlighting, and even charts or diagrams. It's like having a little toolbox for making your docs look awesome. Let me show you how easy it is to organize your documentation using the Nested Pages plugin. With Nested Pages, you can quickly arrange your docs into a clear hierarchical structure. Just drag and drop to nest pages under each other. This makes it super simple to keep everything organized, especially as your documentation grows. Honestly, I wish every site builder had something this intuitive. If only my sock drawer was this organized. For most people, the free version of WP documentation has everything you need to launch a professional docs site. But if you want more advanced layouts or priority support, you can always check out the Pro version at redoxbird.com. No pressure, just options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. And if you'd like a follow-up on making your docs multilingual or building a knowledge base, just drop a comment below. I love hearing your ideas and questions. It helps me make better videos for you.